Stop. Are you using hair dyes? Stop. Are you using bleach? Stop. Using Sun-In? Don't do it. Using Intea? Also don't do it, because they all have peroxide. Not like our 100% natural hair lightener, which is completely natural, good for your hair. It contains natural vegan proteins. It contains nutrients that help your hair grow at the same time that you are lightening. You can get blonde hair with this, and you can hair copper hair. We also offer a 100% natural plant-based lightener for blonde or copper hair. I'm using this one now because I've been a redhead for years. Now I want to be a blonde, so I'm lightening. The only thing you have to do is shake. You can apply on dry hair like I'm doing, or wet hair after the shower is the same. It works with or without heat. Just applying the zones you want to lighten, and that's all you have to do. You will get healthy, super long, beautiful light hair. Visit now goldenamazonia.com.